pies y con los pies firmes y con mucha libertad.
Y no pienso hoy perderme entre la gran sociedad.
Y no pienso hoy perderme entre la gran sociedad.
Olvidar de mi cultura y perder mi identidad.
Pies firmes en la tierra, pies firmes de verdad, pies firmes en la tierra, pies firmes de verdad.
What is going on, boys and girls? It is another beautiful morning in Puerto, Vallarta, Mexico. And today, what are we doing today, Jamie?
We are making a YouTube video.
See?
Sí.
Going fishing for YouTube?
Sí, fishing for you guys today.
See, that's exactly what we're doing. We were all very tired and hungry and cansados. And today's the last full day in Mexico, so we're gonna grind it out and try and catch a marlin or whatever for you guys and make a video. And if you guys have been following along with all the videos, I want to go ahead and say thank you so much. Don't stop. This is gonna be a good one. Ballerinas. Hola, mi amigos.
¿Cuántos? Pues flaco, unas 20. Mira, se me murió el pinche vivero, no prende el hijo de su puta.
Mi celular se me madrió también, no sirve el hijo de la chica, de anoche me marcaba,
Sí, bueno.
Quería contestar y pura madre, de hecho, todavía se le ve al puntillo y le estallaba y pura madre, ahorita ya ni eso se le ve.
Pero sí vio el mensaje o tampoco.
No se ve nada.
Está bien, pues
ni
yo
se
la
ve
había...
nada, pero yo ya tenía el aviso, pues ya lo había visto que era usted.
Ya.
A ver, ojalá que no compre arriba, pero no le conteste.
Unas 20.
Ya está. Échenle para allá para que no.
I'm gonna film you for it. See?
Un gordón, ¿verdad?
Ahí ven que sí, nada.
Grande, queremos grande.
Vámonos, sas. Vámonos, sas.
Hey, I need you to flip the buoy, Striker.
Striker chispa. You. Striker ponchos. Look at that. Cleaning off the lures with a rag. That's dedication right there. That's hard work. Trabajo. Trabajo. De poncho. See? See? And Olga. Trabajo. Trabajo. Responsabilidades. See? What's the spread today, Jamie?
Today we're leaving it into God's hands.
See? I like it.
The man up there.
I like it, I like it, I like it. I like it. Mahis? Panchos? Trabajos?
¿Los recojo o qué, Jamy?
Sí.
Pero las tengo que quitar y ponerlas.
Quítalas.
Mira.
Whoa. Pesado. Oh. 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 Mahis.
¿Cómo le quito el paquete de freno?
No hay pedo. Como está cerca.
Responsabilidades. Mahis. This is good footage. That thing looks like a tarpon.
Se enredó en el mismo lugar, ¿eh? No, está bien. Empújala para la izquierda.
This dolphin's jumping like a tarpon.
Bájale.
What do we think, Pancho?
This is strong.
Strong?
Small but strong. Or maybe I'm tighter.
Small but strong. Like Pancho's? Or maybe your casados?
Yeah.
See. Alright, we're doing a little bit of trolling right now. Jamie's got this spread out. Couple rods on the starboard side, couple rods on the port side, and a rod out the middle. Rod out the middle got bit. And here, Panchos. Can you hold that? Or hold that, see?
Aguas, porque te lo va a aventar en la pierna conociéndolo.
What do you want to do, Jamie? Oh, there you go.
Nothing.
No mas. Okay, another day, another floater for Mexico. Look at that log. It's a good floater. What happened, Jamie? Mahis! Jamie, señoritas! Responsibilidades?
Right now we are trolling dead bait and lures, which is I think the oldest techniques people have here, but I guess it's still working. We've been doing it.
Oh wow, that was a good bite. Oh my gosh.
He didn't get hooked.
No, he didn't. That was a real bite though, see?
Another mahi.
See?
See, but it's the dead bait, so the reel is open.
Yeah. That dead bait got smoked right there. Well, pretty much what Jamie was saying is we're just blind trolling right now. Dead baits and a couple lures. We have a 5-rod spread. It looks really good. And you'll just pass by a couple random dolphin, not on anything, not working, just swimming. And responsibilidades.
Mahi.
Nice dolphin.
Poncho.
Yeah. Nice job, Jamie.
I think it's the same one.
See?
Maybe.
He was in the spread for a little bit. Very suspect on Poncho.
Bájale un poco a 1200.
Let me see that lure. See?
See, this is a lure that looks a little funky, but I have a lot of faith into it.
Simon?
Yes, good marlin lure. We caught marlins on that one, and I guess mahi are all over it.
See? See. Okay. Only been trolling for a little bit. Got a couple of dolphin bites, but this is good because today our priority is to get lucky, and Panchos blows a candle and we catch a marlin. That would be the most ideal. Like we're reeling in a little dolphin or and boom, big 300-400 pounder comes crashing in the spread and dropping back a bait, whatever it is, and he eats it and we caught a marlin.
Ah, Poncho, ¿cómo te ha tocado pesca esos días, ah?
Panchos.
Rápido, si no lo sientes, rápido.
Come off. See?
Sí.
Gone?
Sí.
No mas. That dolphin came off. That was a nicer fish, probably like 20 pounds, see?
Sí. ¿Será bueno?
Probably like a 20 pounder. He just came off. Hard to keep tension when they're coming at you. No mas. No mas, rapidos. What's the word, Jamie? What's the report?
He's all over here, near shore.
See? All right, we're gonna get some baits back out. I'll film Jamie rigging up a goggle eye and gonna get the spread back out and see if we get another bite. Okay.
Time to rig another one. We didn't get lucky, lost 2 mahis, but hopefully we can catch something even better on that one. See?
Jamie's gonna put a little bit of yarn and do a little bit of needle threading. See?
We impress the clients.
See? See?
We could definitely just put the hook in it and just roll it like that, but to impress clients, we do a little bit of what this guy would call tomfoolery.
Yeah, I call it Tom Swankery. See? Tomfoolery.
You're always better waiting until your bait dies to rig it, but in this situation we have no time.
Better off dead. He's not flopping around and wiggling in Jamie's hand when he's rigging it. But this one's pretty much dead. See?
At least he's blind if he's not dead.
Yeah, he definitely doesn't have good vision right now. At least he won't know when he's about to get ate. No wax here in Mexico, just yarn. See?
Whatever we find, sometimes I do it with fishing line.
See? Trolling it just naked, just like that. See? Split the tail a little bit. Split tail, goggly eye. Control that on top. Looks just like a belly here. I'm sure if you put a lead in that thing's chin too, you'd swim really, really good. We're gonna let it back out. You like trolling, Jamie's? Come on.
I like trolling when there's good opportunities. We've been trolling 40 minutes and got 3 bites.
See. Definitely opportunities for everything. Me and Jamie were talking about earlier. You have to be a versatile fisherman no matter where you are in the world. Have to be able to do a little bit of everything, because some days fish want a different presentation than one another, and if you can do it all, you can catch them all, just like Pokemon. See? Okay, if you have not been watching the previous videos of high tides fishing and YouTube channel charter fishing, first off, you're missing out. Second off, this is Mexico, so they don't put the fish in the cooler and bring it home and clean it. They do it on the boat. It's easier, no mess. They don't bring a lot of ice, but in the world there's a lot of different ways to do things, and whatever works best for you works best. See? So Jamie's cleaning up this Petite El Dorado, perfect eating size fish, and they're delicioso. El Trabajos.
Perfect hot.
Perfect mahi fillet. See? I like that little trick up your sleeve there, Poppies.
See?
See. See. No más. You like cleaning them on the boat better, Jamie?
Yeah.
Explain why it's easier for you.
Put put a segment of Adam filleting that snapper yesterday night
on the side of the house, and that is exactly why it's easier. See, looks good though. Looks like good dolphin, and he's just gonna cut out the rib cage there and then skin the fish. But pedo, that is how they do it here in Mexico, and it works. And then they just throw it on in a bag and then put it on top of a block of ice or whatever, just like that. See? Yeah. Here, ponchos. That's all we got for ice. You know I couldn't go offshore if I only had that. See? Yeah, man. There he is. I saw him. I was just standing here and I saw a dolphin with his head come waking out of the water, like coming into the spread, and then I thought we were gonna get bit right away. We didn't, but we just ate a bait right now. He just jumped off. That's funny. That's the third dolphin we've jumped off today. Literally tight as could be, just jumped and spit the hook. Responsabilidades.
So we're still trolling. It got slow, maybe 1 hour with no bite, and we're trolling right beside the commercial line. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see because it's just red bottle of water on the surface, but it's normally I think like 3 to 5 miles long line with a little piece of meat every 100-200 feet. Sometimes they go live bait, but rarely. And they do a lot of damage to our fish population. No regulation, nothing. They take whatever they catch, and it's definitely a problem here. We're hoping to get rid of that sooner than later.
You can see those little bottles they run far back and stuff back there. I don't see any up in front of us now.
I don't see them. That's also a big problem. They mess up all the time, and they get tangled and they're all over the place, and you get your prop into it. People that are not from here and trying to navigate also always get stuck into that. Whales will get stuck into that, turtles, everything. So bad.
No bueno.
There's a way to commercial fish, but that's not it.
See, back home. Wow, that's a nice branch there.
There's a couple around here.
See?
Yeah, there's a couple around here.
So back home, obviously, you see when we're commercial fishing, so there's a couple more buoys over there, long lines. You can only see them when the wave goes down. See that? It's not like it's a big buoy, like, oh, that's a commercial guy. It's like literally a water bottle with lines tied to it. That's what they do here. But to put into perspective, back home when we commercial fish, me personally, I'm always rod and reel. I never throw the net, and some guys throw the net, and that's totally fine. And here, no rod and reel. They're just using long lines. That's totally illegal by us. You have a lot of bycatch, including turtles, whales. I mean, the list goes on the fish that they're trying to catch are like dolphin or maybe a tuna or a marlin, but they do catch those, but they also catch a lot of random fish in between, and everything dies. Like, they set the long line, they're leaving it for 3, 4, 5 days until they come back and look for it again, and they probably have 500-600 hooks on that long line. And no, not every single hook's gonna have fish on it, but most, you know, after a long time, dolphin are curious. They see another dolphin with a hook stuck in them swimming on line. They swim up to it, and then they see a live bait, and then they eat the bait, and then they're also on the line. So it affects the fishery in Mexico because there's no regulations. Jamy said you can keep anything, any size, any fish. There's no size limit, no rules, like, and especially for locals, like they could catch a dolphin this big, and he said they're going to kill it. It's money for them. Same with roosterfish, same with tuna, anything, no matter how small it is, it's gonna die. So back home, I tend to get upset about the regulations, but being here makes me a little bit more humble about it because it puts into perspective what happens when there's no regulations. And there's still plenty of fish to be caught here. There's a lot of water that's untouched. A lot of water that's untouched. Puerto, there's few fishermen, but the few fishermen do a lot of damage. We just rolled up on a little slick, couple birds working it, and there are a lot of commercial fishermen working it too. No rods on the boat, just hand lines for these guys. That's a little boat.
Little boat and 2 big pairs of balls.
See. These guys come out and sometimes stay out 1, 2, 3 nights until they catch enough to go home and make a paycheck, but it doesn't look very enjoyable with no hard top. Oh, he got bit right there. He just got bit. You see that? That guy with the hand line. Yeah. Look at you. Yeah, he just missed it. I watched him. Ooh. He had it for a second. So this is all one long line. There's a yellow buoy right here. Okay. Where's the other buoy, Ponchos? I see the flag. I think that one goes here all the way. You see that black flag out of the water? And they're everywhere. There's more flags over there, way over there, if you can see it. These guys set out a lot of long lines for dolphins, and I'm sure there's dolphins up and down this whole line. This is a great slick. So we're gonna troll it, and there's a frigate working right there. Not working, but flying, but he will work eventually. And there's gotta be so many dolphin that has to be marlin. There's gotta be marlin on it. This looks super fishy. Look at all this trash in the water. Just, you're in an open ocean and you find, you know, something that breaks it up. Holds fish, holds bait, there's birds. We just saw a big dolphin blow up on the line. I guarantee you I can stand up here and cast that lure and catch a dolphin. 100%. 100%. Look at that line. Wow. That's a good looking line. We're gonna get bit. All right, so I walked up here for 1 second, and I saw a really nice dolphin, and I casted the stick bait, and he smoked it. Try and get him away from the spread. I'm gonna bring him right up the side of the boat right here. There was a couple fish for sure. Look at him right here. Oh, we got. This was the smaller one. There was a different fish, see?
Yeah. With the pink lure.
Be careful with the lure there.
Yeah. No, for sure. I know. I'm gonna hold him in the water for a little bit because they're so dangerous. Beautiful little dolphin. I hooked a way bigger one at first, and he came off right away. Definitely gonna be standing up front with a stick bait here for the next little bit. Might be time to bump troll. See? A lot of dolphin on this. Gonna be for sure. Okay.
It's small or?
Just careful with the.
Aguas con el señuelo, me avientas al cajón aquí,
Nice. There you go. Oh, lure came off there. So did the dolphin.
Ya lo machucaste bien feo y se fue.
I guess we're just letting them go today, Olga.
We let them go, but this one is gonna be a dead let go.
Yeah, that one hurts to let go, sadly. But watch how quick I get bit. All right, I'm tight again on another fish, on the stick bait. Poncho, turn me a little bit that way. See. Definitely not the same one that you just put a gap in, Olga. I don't think he likes fishing anymore. I don't think he's a fan of it.
Amor, vas tú porque yo lo voy a matar y lo voy a...
Dude, there's so many.
There's so many dolphin, it's insane. So many dolphin.
What's up? Sí, señor. A lot of freaking mahis around here. We're gonna have a party.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good time right here. And a marlin's gonna swim up, see? It's gonna happen.
Poncho, ven.
How many fish you see?
Like 10, 20. We got Olga's on, reeling in the dead bait. Reeling in the freaking dead bait. Let's try that also with that one.
Oh, mine just came off, watch this.
Y luego en el carretón.
Poncho vino a hacer deporte.
Look at all the fish over here. Oh my God. Look at him. Vámonos!
It's like 2 or 3 following the same bait.
That was sick. That was sick. We're gonna get a mess now.
Oh, we're in trouble. I shouldn't have hooked that fish, see?
No worry, buddy. Have fun. See?
See, that's a better fish,
And
see?
catch a lot of mahi and go back home.
See? There's a lot of dolphin here. I don't even want to know how many dolphin these guys are gonna kill today.
Mira las moreñas.
I don't even want to know. There's hundreds of dolphin.
The little triple tail.
Triple tail, see?
Oh, it's cute.
Huge.
Van a estar ahorita cerquitos de nosotros.
Hazte para allá, Poncho, para enfrente. Date vuelta a las cañas, mira. Date vuelta para arriba, para abajo del muchacho. Y ya vete caminando para allá, para enfrente. Poco a poquito.
Okay. Go under and up top.
Poncho,
with
tú
that,
tienes
Poncho.
uno grande,
A ver. See, Ponchos? Here, I'll pass it to you. Yeah, see.
Eso, otra vez. Eso, Poncho. Ahora sí tienes todo el espacio del mundo. Gracias. Let me help you, okay? We're gonna throw that in the box so nobody gets hurt. I'm not getting that lure in the face.
No, I won't let it happen. I'll keep in tension. Now I'm out of here, because now the lure's going in the face. Look,
Yeah, Adam.
We had
Something
Jamy.
pretty cool.
See? Whoa, nice job, Olga. Got a nice dolphin. All these commercial guys are gonna be fired up, see?
Yeah. Tell me?
Yeah, see. Jamie?
See, got you.
Thank you. All right, Olga's got a nice dolphin on the dead bait on the way in.
Wow. Flip it in. Traigo línea en el agua. We're tight. This morning, honestly, I didn't feel so motivated, but you know the ocean is always surprising you, and we are just having fun. Mahis all over the boat. We have the opportunity to catch a sailfish, maybe a marlin.
Sí.
But just that, to any fisherman, is always a bunch of fun, and we're getting the people we love fresh fish to eat.
See, if you guys want to come and do this, you can check out Jamy with a nice flip there. Commercial style. You can check out High Tides Fishing. I'll have a website linked down below, and you can also check out his YouTube channel. What's the YouTube channel?
Everything is High Tides Fishing. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Go look us up. We have many videos online. Just before you go to bed, I suggest that.
See?
Sí.
We're having a great time though. Check him out. Very awesome guy, positive vibes, everything is good. But look how fishy this line is. There's just sticks and trash and this whole slick. This is a slick right here. Outside of it's clean. This is a slick, and oops. Is my GoPro off on my head?
Yeah.
Okay, poncho is tight. I had a really nice fish come wake on my lure, and I turned the GoPro on, of course, right afterwards, and he didn't eat it, and the live bait got bit. He wanted the live bait instead, of course. You can't turn down live bait. Olga was just in the front of the boat talking about live bait. She said, I like casting, pero sometimes you need live bait.
Yeah.
See?
You need to.
You need, if you want to cast, you got to be slow trolling them out the back, just in case you get that fish that's a little bit more finicky and wants to die by ponchos. See ponchos? Yeah. It's a nice fish. I'm telling you what, it's hot here in Mexico. Holy mucho. Look at that frigate bird. Okay, Pancho?
Yeah.
He was swimming with the liners. Want another bait?
No.
Here, Jamy.
Eso sí, dóblame la caña para poder tomar una foto.
Circle hook? What is going on?
No, I J hook.
Otra vez.
Yeah, Adam.
Un codazo.
Yeah, Adam.
Sorry, Olga. Nice dolphin on. Poncho's definitely got the bigger fish, but look at him jumping right underneath that frigate bird. Look at that. That's cool footage.
They're getting bigger.
See?
Filling that box.
Vaminos.
Yeah. Hell yeah, you guys. A lot of fun today. It was supposed to be a little rough. It is not at all. Not at all.
Slicked out. Beautiful. And we got a couple nice dolphin on. But that's how quick the ocean changes. Every single day is different. Every single day. See, Panchos?
So you know what that means? Be out there. Go fishing.
Gotta go.
Even when you're hesitating, when something's wrong, you know what? Go fishing.
See? So after we catch these two on live bait.
Wow, that's a nice one you have also. These are the two nicest fish of the day.
Yeah, two nice fish. So after we get these two in on live bait, we're really gonna try and focus on getting some on the lures. That's gonna be really cool footage for you guys and cool to see. Okay, we just put Poncho's fish in the boat. Gorgeous dolphin, not as big as we thought it was, but still really nice 15, 17 pound fish. And when they jump, they always look way bigger than they are, but Poncho's nice job. I'm gonna get the hook out. J hook only for dolphin. Very important right there. See?
Yeah. Oh, the color.
Changing colors. Aguigui. Aguigui? What does that mean, Jamie?
Yes. Funny way to say yes.
They're all perfect size dolphin. Perfect size. Out my toes.
Left hand gap?
Yeah. It's very hard to do. See?
He was cooperating.
He was. Beautiful. Look at that. Dolphin on the dolphin table. See? We're gonna put this one in the box. First we're gonna take a couple pictures, but put them in the box, and please drop a like if you guys are enjoying the video. Like I said, check out Jamie and the crew if you have not already, and subscribe if you have not already. This is probably going to be our last video in Mexico, so a huge thank you to Jamie for having me and my girlfriend out here. It was an amazing time, amazing trip. You look like you're ready to clean that thing.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you get to see more adventure of us with Adam.
See, if you guys want to do something like this, don't hesitate to call Jamie or text him because he's busy. Don't call him. Text him. I'll have the he's been getting phone calls all day, but I'll have the WhatsApp number down below, and you can reach out to him like that, or the website, and you're not gonna regret it. I mean, it's Mexico. Okay, we're going American style, I guess. See?
Yeah.
Americanos? Yeah, Olga. Ew. Look, those guys are pissed. They want to catch some mahis. Americanos?
Americano style.
Oh, they just got some serious rope in the prop. What? Look, they just stopped the boat and chunk pilchers. What in the world? Those guys are wild. That's third world country commercial fishing for you. If you've never seen it, here it is. Not a lot of patience on these guys.
¿Ya le aventamos el hielo encima?
Casting and jigging?
Casting and jigging is the best.
I guess.
Mira, siento que estoy en una línea.
Yeah, ponchos. Ponchos, sas. Ahí viene hasta arriba. There he goes. The old Palm Beach release.
¿Se fue?
See, it's okay. We don't need a lot anyways. We just kept a couple for dinner and now we're just catching them for fun. Ponchos is a little sleepy. He's sweating. His face is dripping sweat and he's asleep.
Olga wants to release it.
See?
Yeah, she's feeling bad for her.
Okay. Beautiful fish to let go.
It is, no?
It is. It really is.
¿La dejo ir?
Sí.
Olga's decision. See? Hey, guys, make sure you catch them and release them.
It's okay to let them go.
See, this ocean has limits also.
See, I love it. All right, boys and girls, we are calling it. No more fishing, no mas for today. We caught plenty of dolphin, let go plenty of dolphin, kept plenty for ourselves, and it's the last day for me here in Puerto Vallarta in Mexico. So we're gonna go in, it's only 1 o'clock. We still got the whole rest of the day and we're gonna have an amazing dinner for you guys tonight. And if you guys haven't checked out the last couple videos, there will be a link down below in the description. Check out the homie Jamy and vámonos.
Adam's going for a massage. He forgot to tell you guys.
Sí.
We also
Sí.
hook you up on the massages.
See, vámonos.
No.
Doing a little bit of boat scrubbage uppage right now. Olga didn't want to.
Cleaning.
Olga,
Trabajos. Cleaning the boat. End of the day activities. And we are done with this rodeo. So we will see you, si señoritas, smoke show, back at la de casa. Okay, it is the last day here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And Jamie, what do we got going on?
tequila to start with.
See?
See? And then I didn't do anything. I'm just telling you what's happening. Karen did a sashimi
See?
with the very infamous roosterfish.
See,
So
frowned upon.
I'm very curious on what Adam will have to say about that. I know I like it. We'll see if he likes it.
I know I like it too. Sashimi. Muy bien, muy bien.
Then we have the mahi that we're gonna have as a main dish, and I think this one will keep it simple. Keep it pretty simple. It looks like
Cacahuates?
Es sashimi.
No,
Es
está
sashimi.
alérgico a los cacahuates.
Nada.
No,
Nada
nada?
de cacahuate.
Gracias.
Adam spent the entire trip just saying cacahuates.
Every day, cacahuates? Because if you don't know, I have a bad peanut allergy. And I don't want to die in Mexico. La cacahuates? Y?
So
Dexter.
yeah, I
Look
think
at him
we're-
chasing the flies.
I think the mahi is gonna be simple with vegetable and what, mashed potatoes.
That was my first time rooster fishing. It was a good time. Beautiful fish to see for sure. They really do. They throw down for their size. They fight hard.
They're all over the place.
See.
They kind of like a Jack Reveille, but not the way they fight though. They're a lot
They fight
cooler.
different, and they shake their head like a snook.
Yeah.
Hard when you try and grab them. Like a gill, when you grab a snook, he shakes hard. You can usually hold on to it. Rooster fish are strong, like break your knuckles strong. See?
Oh yeah.
Simon? He says that's, oh, when I showed him this earlier, he goes, like tarpon do that and stuff. He's like, oh, it must have been a little one. Big one's down in my arm. Simon?
Yeah, that's how it goes. Our soup is going
Remember
on.
that snapper that we caught too? That Jamy lassoed? Nobody caught it. Jamy lassoed it.
I kind of caught it.
He kind of caught it. La cacahuates? See?
No,
No?
no.
Oh. El Pargo Snapper Soup. Responsabilidades.
Para la sopa, pues a los demás, no más es.
Wow. Sashimi? Yeah.
Jamy de gallo.
I gotta try. Sashimi del gallo? Del pescado y joint? Whoa. That's what we got.
Todo. Blanco o tinto.
That's good gallo. Good rooster fish, see?
Del que estás abriendo.
Tinto.
No, el que
She's
quiera,
making
yo no sé. Yo no tengo
soup out of the snapper
yo tomo lo
head
que me
too.
des. Hasta veneno.
Ponchos! Ponchos, last night, what do you gotta say? It's over, man.
I gotta enjoy.
Hmm?
It's really good.
I want to enjoy the food, the dinner,
See?
and you guys, yeah.
Was it good?
It's really good. Super,
Vino.
super good.
Vino.
Vino, bueno, bueno, bueno. Olga, toast?
Yeah,
Sandwiches?
I tried.
They're gonna make me fall asleep during my massage tonight.
See. What was that, Olga? Tell me again. Sandwiches?
No sandwich.
Olga
That's right.
loves her sandwiches. Jamie doesn't like Olga sandwiches. If you guys listen, if you don't know the insides here, that's the inside. See, Olga?
See.
Everything else, bueno, 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 bueno.
Olga is Adam's getting on her butt, but Olga has been an amazing host and cooked
Sí.
us amazing food.
Sí,
thank you.
gracias. We're gonna eat this sashimi. It tastes like Rainbow Runners. Same thing. Tunas. Not tunas, Rainbow Runners. But it's delicious. You wouldn't know it's a rooster fish. But remember, it looked like Rainbow Runner, see?
The meat.
See?
Looked the
Remember
same.
when I cleaned it? It looked the same.
Yeah.
Esto es rooster, ¿no?
This
Rooster.
is rooster.
Está buenísimo.
For some reason, I was thinking Rainbow
Oh,
Runner.
buenísimo.
It's good.
It is good.
Neta.
O traigo mucha hambre.
Well,
I'm impressed.
No, de esta.
yeah, it's really
So
good.
why do people hate on it?
Mm,
It's just not desirable. meat?
Is it this fish? Many people are like, you know, how bass people are.
Catch and release my
So
fish.
rooster fish, they travel from Europe to come and catch it here. So to them it makes no sense to kill it and
Sí.
eat it. Like they'll spend I
Well,
don't
it's
know,
pretty
thousands
good.
of dollars to catch
Casting and jigging.
it. Casting and jigging. Adam is hating, but I saw him yelling and going all crazy when he caught his little tuna in the Bahamas on the popper.
Always.
Wow,
Adam's
tried
freaking
me.
out. He's like, oh my gosh.
Casting and jigging in the Bahamas gets tight.
And then he looks at me, he's like, did you see that?
Make sure she had to see it. Was that cacahuates?
No cacahuates.
See?
Nada de cacahuates.
Sashimi?
Un saludo a toda la banda de Puerto Vallarta.
Saludidad. We just had the appetizers, was the gallo, and what they call it in Mexico, or rooster fish, pescado, sashimi. And it was delicious. And now we're having the pero, whatever, mutton snapper, whatever type of Mexico, pero barge, what do you call it? Bargo snapper, I think. What do you got in there?
Es potato y carrots.
See?
Vamos a poner un poco de onions. Cilantro. Y un poquito de spicy.
¿Qué?
Spicy.
Spicy? See?
Little.
Ooh. Muy bien. Delicioso. Gracias.
Un poquito de...
¿Avocados?
Sí.
Sí. Simón.
Sí.
That looks gorgeous. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Karen.
Got it?
Ajá, Karen. Listo.
Okay, give it up for the chef. By the way, the sashimi was delicioso.
Muchas gracias.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Ya está lista tu
See?
sopa.
Supper?
Sopa. Soup.
Sopa. La sopa. That's gonna be delicious. So, if you're coming here and you're fishing with Jamy, you're staying with Jamy, you don't have to worry about cooking food because the chef, ¿cómo te llamas?
Karen.
Kare?
Karen.
Kare? Is always here. Kare is always here cooking, see?
Yeah, they're cooking all your meals and also your fishing lunches, so you really don't have to worry about nothing.
Obviously, I don't know about you, but if you don't have a housewife, then you're stressed out before you go fishing because lunches, dinners when you get back, snacks, all that good stuff. And they take care of all that here and a very, very delicious hot meal, good hot meals for the boat, whatever it is, whatever you want. So you get the whole package here in La de Casa, Jamy. Sí, señoras. Okay. Wow, it looks muy bien. Delicioso?
Sí.
Muy bueno. Jamy, give us a taste test.
O como le dicen en Yelapa y eso, la sopa de mariscos, ¿has oído?
Sí.
That's what this fish is made for.
El
Soup,
Viagra,
definitely. Amazing.
La
Try that. Sopa.
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 Pancho says it's his favorite dish when he doesn't feel good. See?
Yes. When I feel sick, this is the solution for me.
See? You look stoked.
El levanta muertos, ¿no?
Bien?
Sí. Uf.
Sí?
Más que bien.
Sí.
Better. Great.
Oh.
Está bien bueno, ¿eh?
Annie, what do
Eso
we
sí,
got?
eso sí es algo que...
Let's try it.
Está buenísimo. ¿Has venido a las albóndigas de pescado del Rey Bombón?
That's really good.
Tampoco nunca los he llevado.
Yeah, that is really, really good.
If you've never had fish stew, especially in whatever culture you are in at the time, you're missing out because everybody does it differently. See?
See?
And if you're in Mexico, fish soup. Bahamas, fish soup. And it's all different. I don't even know what they call it in the Bahamas. So this is called la soupe, which is like soup, but fish soup.
They
La
call it
sopa.
stew.
La sopa.
In the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas, they
Stew.
call it stew, but I've only had it one time. It wasn't the best. It wasn't the best. This is really good though. Okay, listen. No. I love all my Bahamians, but I'll be honest. I didn't like the stew.
That's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
And I think I ordered the stew, but there was something else that I was thinking about that they called.
it wrong.
No, it was just not like soup. It wasn't soup. It was like corn hash and like suspect. I don't know. I was very suspicious. I gave it to my boy Dennis though, Bobo, from Grand K, and he loved it. He smoked it, so it was really good. But quit blabbling here. We're gonna look at the little freaking little freaking mosquitoes. Uy, smalls. We're gonna close this video out. Thank you so much for watching it. If you haven't already liked the video, I don't know what you're doing, so you need to go ahead and like the video. See, Reef? See? So like the video, subscribe if you're not ready. Alrighty, boys and girls. We got the dolphin, la Mahi Dorado Pescado con la enlada Jamy boat. See?
Sacamos los dorados el día de hoy, en la mañana, y cada vez que hablan español les mando un saludo a todos los de Puerto Vallarta. Ánimo.
Was that all Spanish?
All Spanish.
What French?
I forgot about French.
Really? See? See?
Hola. Buenas noches.
But we're gonna eat this dolphin right now. Good stuff. It looks delicious. We've already had some very good meals tonight. Grilled dolphin, pan-seared, see?
Simple. Pan-seared dolphin, but a perfect size fish, and
Mashed potatoes, asparagus. Look at that.
Yeah.
Kept it simple, but a good fish doesn't need more than that.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
¿Sí? ¿Sí, Olga? Delicioso. Look at that. Wow, she's a good cook.
She's a great
Wow.
person overall, I
See?
would say. Yeah, we love her here.
That is delicious. Look at Ponchos. Oh my gosh, that's good. Ponchos, if you had tacos in front of you right now, would you put that on a taco?
I think no, because I almost full and I want to eat everything.
Me too.
That fish is great.
Yeah, that's really good dolphin. You know I'm not a big dolphin fan. Baked potato. But this is delicious, the way she cooked it. Mashed potatoes are very good with it, see? Might even go get more mashed. I love mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are good. We're closing out this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not already, go ahead, drop a like, subscribe, check Jamie's channel out, check his website out for charter fishing. If you guys want to come to Mexico and live this whole experience that we lived, it's totally real. It can be done. All you got to do is text this man. I'll have his WhatsApp link down below or popping up here. Just text, no phone calls. Busy guy. Buenos noches. It is the last day for Puerto Vallarta.
Last day.
Vámonos. ¿Sí?
Vámonos, último día.
Puerto Rico, muévete mi mujer, muévete bien bonito, muévete mi mujer, Cuba pa' Puerto Rico. Bailala, baila mi rica plena, bailala, mírala cómo va. Bailala, baila mi rica plena, bailala, mírala cómo va. Puerto Rico, muévete mi mujer, muévete bien bonito, muévete mi mujer, Cuba pa' Puerto Rico. Bailala, baila mi rica plena, bailala, mírala cómo va. Bailala, baila mi rica plena, bailala, mírala cómo va. Ajá, suenan los tambores. Ajá, escucha. están llegando todos los rumberos y de lejos están sonando los cueros. Y ay, qué rico está sonando mi rumba, y ay, qué rico está sonando mi son. Me lo voy a llevar hasta la tumba y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. Eso, rompe los cueros, suenan los tambores. Llegó la hora para olvidar los dolores. H Lukumi, H Olofi, H para todos los señoras y señores. Y ay, qué rico está sonando mi rumba, y ay, qué rico está sonando mi son. Y lo voy a llevar hasta la tumba y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. Y ahora yo te invito a mi fiestón. ¡Ay! Tu pra, 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 suena mi tambor como va. Ay, suena mi tambor como va, mamá. Tu pra, pra, pra. Tu pra, pra, suena mi tambor como va. Ay, mi tambor te llama con sentimiento y manana. Tu pra, suena mi tambor como va. Rompen los cueros y suenan los tambores. Llegó la hora para olvidar los dolores.